Rivian R1T buyers get their first opportunity to experience the electric pickup. You want to know what happened to me today? I got absolutely iced by Tesla. Tesla iced me.
How?
Because I got an email saying we apologize for the delay on your recent order. We'd like to let you know that there's an update to your delivery status. Check your account on Tesla.com to see what's going on. And I'm like, whoa, okay, cool. Something actually happened. I have 3 Teslas that are on order right now, okay?
Really?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, the Cybertruck and your Plaid and your Plaid Plus.
Because they just converted it and they said, just leave it because we don't know what's going to come first. And anyway, obviously I'm not keeping... Anyway, so I go check and there's no update on anything.
The status is just iced.
Yeah, it still says preparing and nothing changed. They rickrolled me. They're ice cold killers over there. They've been watching this show and they saw me talking about it, the delivery experience and how I have no updates or anything. And they're like, oh, hi, try this one on right here.
Yeah. Let's have a funny.
Wow. Anyway, okay, yes, Rivian. Rivian is going to let you try. They're delaying deliveries, but they want you to know it's for real. Please don't cancel. Please don't cancel your delivery. Go ahead. You go ahead. Well,
so this is happening in Normal, Illinois.
That's where they're based out of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool name. And they built a track here and invited a couple people who pre-ordered.
Right.
And just let them have it. Just let them have fun driving on this track. They have this giant ramp that they can go off of. And it's just a fun time.
Yeah. So, I mean, they get to make the content out of it too. So they get free actors for their commercial.
Exactly, yeah.
And those actors happen to be real reactions. They happen to be owners who are eventually going to get it or buyers who will eventually be owners. And they get to, kind of bust it around this track in a way they might not even get to do once they own it because not many people have access to a track like that. So yeah, it makes for a good 58-second ad. However, a lot of them are going to leave there thinking, man, I really wish I just had the truck.
I wish I can drive home.
It would be a lot. It would be really cool if I had this truck right now. But you know me, man, I'm a fan of all this stuff. So I look at that and I get pumped up too. I'm like, yeah, I'll take one of those.
Yeah.
This one looks good, the Rivian. So I don't know what the heck's coming first. You saw this Tesla officially delayed production on the Cybertruck to 2022 to start production. So I went on Twitter. I was like, okay, what comes first, F-150 Lightning or Cybertruck? And of course, everyone's like F-150 Lightning. And then this one's in the mix. Which one actually arrives without delay?
Exactly.
I mean, actually arrives.
Yeah.
We'll have to see.
Let's make it happen.